my name is James Stoodley, here again at Full Potential Learning Academy. Today, we'll be going over diction errors, how they occur, and how to solve for them in English grammar. Diction errors occur when you mix up different sounding words for the same meaning in a sentence, written sentence. For example, we have two words in the example below, C-E-A-S-E, cease, and S-E-I-Z-E, seize. Cease means to stop, and seize means to take, which is why we need seize, S-E-I-Z-E, in the sentence, a moment is all I need to seize the day. When we use the other word, it is incorrect, because that means we'll need only a moment to stop the day, and we can't really stop a day, but we can take the day. This is a lot like idiom errors, where you have to use the correct word in a sentence, otherwise the meaning is confusing. Best way to prepare for diction errors is to simply know the vocabulary at your level used in English and practice by understanding the words that you read when using and writing sentences. Here is some diction errors practice to go over the lecture we have done today. Each sentence has a word that is being misused and is therefore a diction error. Simply find the word that is being misused and replace it with the correct word in the sentence. As a hint, you know that a diction error usually occurs when a similar sounding word is misplaced with another word. So find the word that works in the sentence by finding a word that has the same sounds but a different meaning. But that also works in the sentence. Don't worry if you don't know what certain words mean or if you make mistakes. This is practice after all. Take a moment now to pause the video and try out the questions. Good luck! If you haven't paused the video yet, please do so now. We will be moving on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers to the previous sentences from before. For example, honing and homing. Honing means to sharpen your skills for practice, and that's wrong because you need homing, because that means to be close or get closer, such as the sentence is stating to get closer to something on the right. The second sentence, accept versus accept. Accept on the left means to accept something or to allow something, whereas accept on the right means to be an exception towards a group, such as Anthony being the only one not to arrive yet. The third sentence, phase versus phase. Phase on the left means to be a part of a cycle or a certain step in a program, whereas phase on the right means to be shaken up or stirred up, shocked. The coach wasn't shocked by the 10-run deficit in the game. That is why F-E-Z-E, phase on the right, is correct. The left one is wrong because it means to be part of a system. The fourth sentence, delude versus dilute. Delude means to be confused or misinformed about a subject, while dilute means to weaken something chemically, such as adding soda to wine or water to wine. Finally, reticent on the left needs to be changed to reluctant on the right, because reluctant means to be hesitant to speak about something, which Jennifer was. Don't worry if you got mistakes during the questioning or made mistakes putting in the right word. This is practice, and you'll have plenty of practice with English grammar overall. When practicing for English grammar, be certain which word is correct in spelling as well as sound, as English grammar is not so easily written as it is spoken. Only a true expert in English can discern the spellings of similar sounding words, and you can become as such through practice. The next lecture we'll be going over is other modifier problems and making sure you have mastered adjectives versus adverbs. Thank you for watching. Teach you next time. The material in this lecture was referenced by the McGraw-Hill SAT Guide, Chapter 15, Lesson 11, Diction Errors.